Alright, so in these questions we've been asked to find the total surface area of the following cylinders, and we need to round our answer to the nearest two decimal places. So I'm just going to quickly highlight those key words. So if you're wondering how the total surface area equation is derived for a cylinder, basically this is how we get it. So let's take a look at an example of a net for a cylinder. So it's made up of a curved surface or a rectangle, and then we've got our two circles. So here we've got our radius, and this is going to represent the top of our cylinder. This is going to be the curved surface, so basically the body of the cylinder, and then this here is our bottom, or the base. So basically here we have the rectangle, so if we focus on that, we know that this bit here is our height, and then this bit here is actually 2 pi r. And the reason for that is that that's actually representing the circumference of the base. So if you think about the circumference of this top, or the base here, that's basically where we get this length here, 2 pi r. So if you want a quick shortcut formula to remember total surface area, it is 2 pi times the radius, and then radius plus the height in brackets. So that's like a quick cheat way to remember the total surface area of a cylinder. So basically it's the area of the top plus the area of the curved surface or the rectangle body, and then plus the area of the base. So now taking a look at the first example here, so we've been asked to find the total surface area of this particular cylinder. So we've got a radius of 3 meters, and we've got a height of 4. So using the equation above, we've got 2 times pi times 3 bracket 3 plus 4. So I'm just going to throw that straight into my calculator, and I'm going to get, and then my pi button is just down here, plus 3 plus 4, and that'll give me 131.95 meters squared. Remember, we are trying to find total surface area, so we do need to add the squared on our units. So now taking a look at the next cylinder that we have, so this time we've been given a height of 20 meters, and if you take a look at the dimension we've been given for the base, we've actually been given our diameter. So the diameter is 32 meters. Remember that the radius is half of our diameter, so that means the radius will be 16 meters. So now putting this into our equation again, so we've got 2 times pi times the radius of 16 bracket 20 plus 16. That will give us a total surface area of, let's just put that into the calculator, that'll give us a total surface area of 3,619.12 meters squared, rounding. So this is basically a quick shortcut way to find the total surface area of a cylinder. If you have more time, I'd encourage you to actually find the area of each surface separately and then add them all together and check to see whether or not it matches what we found using the total surface area equation.